Yo, hello everyone. My name is Adarsh.
I'm Harrison.
We built a tool called Hintify. It's a VS Code extension. You can run it by pressing Fn and F5, and it starts running up like that. Um, what it does is basically it takes whatever active session of window you have, scrapes your code, and it generates whatever is wrong logically with your code and doesn't give you the right answer, but it helps you, gives the hints so that you can arrive at the right answer. So let's just start with one of the queries. You can also query it. So what's wrong with my code right now?
In your code, you are incrementing both user wins and computer wins in cases where there is a tie between the user and the computer. However, in a tie scenario, only one player should win the round or the game. You need to adjust the logic for updating the win counts in tie scenarios to reflect this correctly.
So our whole purpose of making this was not to give you a direct solution to the bug, but instead give you logic so now you can implement it on your own. With the new coming AI tools, we wanted to make sure that all the programmers learn how to program. But this has multiple functionalities. You can change, if you don't like Mickey Mouse, you can change it to Yoda, American Cowboy. We can try American Cowboy. And it supports multiple languages. So Harrison will demonstrate on Chinese.
我的代码有什么问题？
当使用者和电脑的选择相同时，你同时增加了使用者和电脑的胜利次数。这可能不是你想要的结果，应该只有在其中一方获胜时才增加该方的胜利次数。你应该检查这部分的逻辑。祝你好运。
Okay.
It sounds really choppy, but it sounds like American Cowboy.
But it's like whatever
Yep,
it says
yep.
is correct.
Mhm.
Oh yeah.
It will also every interval of 1 minute, it will also automatically check for like issues in your code already. Let's say if I just like modify some somewhere in the code, after 1 minute, it's gonna scan the code and then give you some suggestions.
Yeah.
For this part, we can just like
Fast forward it. Yeah. Do you want to make any change to it? Let's say around to let's say 5. Yeah. I think that's
save.
we can
I was
forward
just
it.
waiting for like a whole minute.
So it runs. I will just like this part, but like for 1 minute, it starts 1 minute after we are done querying it, or like it's been because 1 minute has happened since we started.
Oh, there we go.
Well, cowboy, it looks like we got ourselves a wild horse in this here code. That while loop condition ain't wrangled right when it comes to checking them valid rounds input. You gotta mosey on over and think about when that loop's gonna rustle up and head for the hills based on the current condition. Ask yourself, does it truly give the user a fair chance to lasso in a valid number of rounds? Time to saddle up and wrangle that code into shape.
Okay, that's funny. That's funny. So, if you did not understand the language, you can definitely change it to a moderate version or whatever you like. But it personifies the character you choose, so it makes it more fun. But yeah, that is Hintify for you, and that's our HackIllinois submission.
Thank you.
All right, good night.
Bye-bye.
See ya.